start dating again?
Yes, 6 bra mebsuku so. Abo aso.
Okay. Do you know that I smashed it?
Natamanga. Ano takawnya? Mana tu terus susah ini?
Hey yo guys, so Felix doesn't know I'm gonna be pranking him and telling him that I once smashed his girlfriend cause like I was dated with her and things like that. He doesn't know that I'm gonna prank him, so yeah, make sure to watch till the end, right? Let's see his reaction. I'm afraid, guys. Subscribe. Hey yo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Mrunga Junior, the best in his own league, and I'm not rolling alone, guys. I'm rolling with SQRSN and your boy Felix. Yeah guys, so today what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be shooting a mukbang, asking him questions, and like he's gonna be there to verify them. Yeah, so like guys, make sure to watch till the end. Make sure to subscribe, go follow them on TikTok, guys, the XQRSA, and
It's Felix on all social media platforms. That's yourself.
XQRSA on all
Yes.
social media platforms.
now let's get into it. So first question, like what's your full name?
Pilanis Fiso.
Okay, do you buy 365 days
Next from no champions.
When do you buy 365 days pay?
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, do you want kids that are like you and behave the same way like you?
I going to have a mention you are cool.
When
Say,
okay, have you ever cheated?
You can hang a bra.
When
maybe.
okay, will you pick 100k or 5 minutes with Jazzy Q?
Baba bovia sinyu.
Alright. When
Ay baba, nyugu.
alright.
Yung kaya no Chezi.
Will you give up on your dreams to save your mom's life?
And then already comes first one. And then already the meal for there.
Giving up on your dreams
Clean.
now?
Mama.
Alright, man. Okay. Which family relative will you sacrifice for 1 billion?
1 billion.
Yeah.
Next one.
Na sacrifice sacrifice umuntu ke for 1 billion, but this guy 1 billion nje sacrifice umuntu noma ngumuphi semqovu yabhoda. Sigaya billion.
Sister Ramdo, tathanda umthethisa mahambe.
Amdala sekamdala uphile ingafu.
Bitch, I see what you did.
Okay. Will you cheat on kids of 100k?
I'm febe.
Andalo dandi man.
Bye baba 100k.
100k dandi man.
Mamukela unkolela le. Amarinyu le. Ngoba ngithi sampelela umtishita cho.
Ngeke tata machansi mo.
Ngeke boy imali.
Ijo ngumtshita jo.
Money comes first, ne boy.
Atani nyuku.
Okay, so ungahlala 24 hours no P Diddy or 6 years ejail?
I'm 6 years in fact.
Ay, dambaba. Ay,
Angeke boy.
angeke.
6 years mate tshela phela tshela basazokushaya phela tshela basayokapa
kamara ndoda ngihlale nogawule phela
etshele basokapa still and ukawena ugayi imali
akufani ndoda phela ulet nakhona
ukaphela 24 hours naye
and etshele bazokuhlala
malini
ubafe abo Justin Bieber bajike lapha ndoda
malini
allegedly abo Justin babagaya amabhillion yabona ba rich kangaka
namkama big
yabona babagaya
kamara ngilale naye ndo ndoda sifanisa i-baby oil asifani mayelo tetshela bangumpapa omnyama
esana
ngantwana kampani twana
siyaziphumela wena lo
siyazi bathi okay ungahelpa abantwana abayi-100 eba-homeless ongabazi or ungasiza umamakho
oledi
wena okay ukhetha ukuthi ucede yonke indlala esemhlabeni bese uhlala or uhlale 24 hours no Drake like boka abantwana laba beAfrica laba vele ebathagako vele abasalambi vele uhlala 24 hours no Drake wena
ngantwana
wena Drake or indlala abantwana ongabazi
dog
mina sizwa
ithingo ngisiza izincuzi
ne alright okay ungakhetha ukuthi vele ugunda inkhanda vele for the rest of your life ube baldi or ungasageza amazinyo tayi waya or
mfethu kampani mfethu ngishaya iplate mfethu ngihlanka umlomo kampani
phila ni tayi
endoda ithema lami lishaya iplate mara baba nayo iphethe uma-oledi
Yeah, boy.
Amara mina
mayengomlomo phathi ubani hlankumlomo okay ungakhetha ukuba sevidiyweni no Mr Beast or 24 hours no Ice Spice
Ice Spice
Mr Beast usevidiyweni no Mr Beast
mali ngiyithola
ithola lapha
baba mina kamare ngile video
endoda hayi mara endoda Mr Beast
imali
ndoda
Ice Spice nayo nokuthi ivideo nayo trend still
imali nongitayimani nangapha ngishayisa
asazi 24 hours yona yokwenzana nayo no Ice Spice
Ice Spice baba
What the fuck?
hayi mthito Mr Beast ongenzelani ngoba unento
ngibheke evidweni bakhona bathengisa ikuku bakhona bathengisa ikuku
blind ebaphola Ice Spice boy
ngiyithola baningi
okay i-girlfriend allowance enough imali
hayi baba choko baba uzathenga amajapiso
awundoda
boys amajapisa ifo ayaphuma ramalove candy nangabuna kumlomo
ukhuluma noma kungiphi language or ukhona ukudlalana noma kingimapha ama-instrument vele ukhona ukuproducer nanoma kungiziphi ingoma
phinda
ukhetha uproducer nanoma kungiziphi ingoma udlalena noma kungimapha ama-instrument as in like vele ma-drums inini uyakwazi wena wakwadlala ama-instrument and uyakwazi nokucula or ukhona ukukhuluma woke ama-language
kushawo ngama-language bro
nami English ibetha kangaka ngathi ngibetha nje
ivinata
ngathi ngibetha nje betha ama-broken English waya
okay so now these are my questions, my personal questions. Joe, when do you start dating again?
ngezi-6 brawami ebusuku so ngabo 1:30
Okay. You know that I smashed it.
ndoda mayingayo sothini ndoda ndoda sothini
Come back, nigga. Come back, nigga. Hlala phasi, boy.
Njani manje?
Hlala phasi, boy.
Antwana soka iphone umfonele.
Remember, boy, I was there, boy.
Manje tukumshayile.
Ukutshelelani
Remember
mngani,
when
ukutshelelani mngani. Ayakubasela. Bedistima mngani.
Manje tumshayile.
I talk obvious talk like I'm like.
Cha kanjani?
That's why I asked you, boy, with TVT, you know what, boy, like when football with the Kukhotlisilo, like 2 weeks ago. So it seems like I could quickly see it, boy. It's hard.
Endoda kaongeke, isongeke baba. Manje tutumshayile.
Boy, izinto zomhlaba.
Unataka usapi mkabzini.
Boy, yeah, like the game, boy. Like I smash.
Idiota. Say that.
Finger is in card, coaching up Mali overseas.
Amara mngani ukutshelelani.
Boy, it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank, man. I didn't say it. I prank you, boy. Boy, you prank. Guys, it's a prank. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I risk this all for you all.